Hi there. You know, coming home to a Johnny's box of seeds to a gardener is like a child waking up Christmas Day. For years now, at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, we've relied on Johnny's seeds. Opened it up and look inside that. Look how nice that's packaged up for us. This is Italian basil. Tomorrow in the greenhouse, we'll be planting several rows of these. But I just wanted to put my appreciation out there for Johnny Seeds and all they do to make Ophelia's Blue Vine a huge success. Right, Miss Ophelia? Can you pass me one of these? I really love their containers. This is a pelleted seed. It's summer crisp lettuce, and we started this earlier this year. And I really like their containers and how they're really durable. You don't have to worry about your seed getting wet or an insect getting in. Again, Mike and Miss Noelle at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, enjoying our early Christmas